Action.
I pledge Nigeria, my country, to be faithful, loyal, and honest, to serve Nigeria, my country, to defend our unity and the open and the honor and the glory. So help me God. So, you Nigerians, I come to you in order to give you an protected and the essential comprehensive advice. Dear all Nigerians, don't lose your opportunity. Don't make a mistake that you make at the back, you Nigerians. I come to you in order to protect your country. Choose a person who has a right to rule. Choose a person who has a right to control. Nigerians choose a person that give our child a comprehensive education. Choose a person, both a person that boosts education, you Nigerians.